Oh, horses down, Ria Miguel's wings past the begin, down on the inside, Tiger Wood. Top Notcher is racing in third and followed by Yale Storm Gas, Anonymous Action Sailor, and he's the man, he's the early trailer by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Eagles Wings by about 2.5 lengths. Storm Gas now moving up to take second. Top Notcher drives back in third. Tiger Wood in fourth. Moving up on the outside. Pipali, then comes He's the Man, Action Sailor, and Anonymous back to the leader. Storm Gas and Eagles Wings fighting it out for the lead. 4 lengths away in third, Tiger Wood, and here comes Ale now trying to get closer in fourth. Racing in fifth, Top Notcher, He's the Man, Action Sailor, and Anonymous, Storm Gas down on the inside. Once again, Eagles Wings. Tiger Wood now coming closer in third, Ale in fourth. As they come down to the last 150, and it's still Eagles Wings moving up. Storm Gas, Tiger Wood, Ale. Eagles Wings still in front, moving up. Tiger Wood and on the outside, Ale. Tiger Wood takes the lead. Eagles Wings, Ale moving up. Action Sailor. It's now Tiger Wood, and finally Tiger Wood second. Ale, Eagles Wings, Action Sailor, Storm Gas.
1-4, parang dikit tayo sa tercero.
Right.